Good morning, all of you. Professor Praveen Sarvale, Department of Agronomy, College of Agribusiness Management, Baramati. In that, already we started the topic farming system. Some part of farming system already we covered in some last videos. Now the remaining parts in the topic farming system, we will discuss one point sustainable agriculture, its problem and its impact, actual impact on agriculture. Okay. Before going to start, all of you know the sustainable agriculture. That means the agriculture system in which the main objective of the sustainable agriculture is to maintain the ecological balance without degrading the environment. Definition of sustainable agriculture, this will be asked in exam. The sustainable agriculture is a form of agriculture aimed at meeting the need of food and fuel of the present generation without hindering the resource base of the future generation. That means the main objective is it is one of the form of agriculture and the major purpose to meeting the need of food and fuel. That means production of all agricultural products, agricultural crops through the cultivation practices. But at the same time, all of you keep in mind without degrade the natural resources because it is necessary for the future generations. Okay, this is the meaning of a sustainable agriculture. Now the causes for resource-based degradation. Food and Agriculture Organization in 1989 has attributed the three main reasons for degradation of natural resources. And these are the first one, a lack of access to land, input and other production resources by the majority of rural household and communities. The second one is a lack of awareness among policymakers of the economic cost involved. And the last one, the lack of environmentally sound alternative technologies acceptable to the farmer. Okay, these are the three major causes for the resource-based degradation. Now, on the next point, the problems and its impact on agriculture. Now, see, the agriculture has changed drastically because due to the new technology, already most of the farmers or progressive farmers stop the traditional methods and try to adapt the mechanization in their farms, especially since the end of World War II. After Second World War, mechanization is mostly followed by the farmers. Food and fiber productivity soared due to the new technologies. Mechanization increased the chemical use, the specialization and government policies that although these changes had many positive effects and reduced the many risks in farming, there has also been a significant cost. The prominent among these are topsoil depletions, groundwater contamination, decline of family farmers, then continued neglect of the living and working condition for farm laborers, and increase the cost of production and the disintegration of economics and social conditions in rural communities. Okay, these are the problems and its impact in agriculture actually. Now, if you see here the actual problems of agriculture, you can see the listed here. First one is a decline in agriculture growth rate, decline in factor production, static or decline in food production, increase in malnutrition, shrinkage in net cultivated area, increasing environment table, depleting groundwater table, increase the cost of production, low farm income, increasing unemployment. These are the problems of agricultures. And for this, sustainable agricultures play the vital role. As a result, agriculture productivity has been witnessing the stagnation in a recent year beside the issues such as competing demands for water in the context of a changing demographic and its various end use further the aggregatives of degree of risk in the agriculture sector. These have considerable implications for food and livelihood securities, and as agriculture precautions being risk prone may leads to migration from rural to urban and suburban area. That mean actual statistical data which are given here, that mean related to the sustainable agriculture, that mean per capita gross area, net area of sustainable agricultures. Okay, and these are the some importance points regarding the sustainable and its impact on agricultures are given here. Okay, in exam they will be asked definition of sustainable agricultures, problems of agriculture, and the impact of agricultures listed. Okay, this question will be asked in your exam, and if you have any problem regarding this all, then contact me. Okay, remaining parts of farming system we will discuss in a next video. Okay, thank you so much, students.